So I've been posting because I wanted to work out a way of laying down wire. So I'm using very fine wire, a bit like what Russ has done on, I think it's RWG Research on his page. He did a few years back, and my printers were a lot more basic. The point about laying down wires, you need a sort of like an infill which isn't concentric. It's got to be continuous. When you print filament, it stops and starts, stops and starts, whereas with wire it's continuous. So anyway, using a bit of bastardization of the Gcode from CAD, using Fusion, I was able to manipulate the printer to be a milling machine, as it were. So what I've done is I'll post some a bit more details of how I bugged around the Gcode, as you can see, I've just strapped a pen to this for the proof of concept. So the pen mark there is just me sticking the pen in place. And now if I can, I've got too many files on this, so it's going to take me a couple of minutes. Yeah, he doesn't like it. Right, there we go. Test coil, that one. There we go. So on the for setting this up, obviously I've got no filament, and my hot end, my bed is should be nothing. The only thing I'm now waiting for is for it to start. So I've run it, I think, at 25 degrees. Oh, here we go. Let's see if this is going to work. So okay, so it's now about everyone would say that's concentric, but hopefully there's a little gap between one and the other. Ah, yes, you see, it works. It's a continuous movement. I'm really pleased. It's taken me a while to work out how to do that. It now, from yesterday's post, I created a wheel. It's not perfect yet, but the wheel should literally should move around as the bed and the x-axis moves. Anyway, there you go. Hope this is interesting to someone. Bye.